Yes, but they shouldn't be, right? CLEs from great companies like PLI, they're great, but a 10 credit CLE for over $1,000 excludes a ton of lawyers, right? When you make it so expensive, it really keeps lawyers like you and me out, right? Because I don't have $1,000 for it, and I'm pretty sure you don't. Now, if you're at Big Law and get reimbursed, that's great. But if you're not going to be able to take advantage of it. And there's value in a lot of them, right? Because they help you get ahead of developments in the legal industry that can impact your job. I remember reading an advertisement for PLI. They had it was like a 10 credit CLE, I think, on blockchain, and it was like $1,700. Now, I don't know about you, but $1,700 is a lot of money. Now, if you're a partner at a firm, or you're a senior associate, or you're of counsel, and your firm is going to reimburse you, great, perfect. But for everybody else like me and you, it puts that knowledge out of our reach, right? It makes it for the elite few, and I don't believe that's how it's supposed to be. I believe that quality legal education, and continuing legal education specifically, should not be treated like the Harvards or the so-and-so of the world, which you make it so prohibitively expensive. Now, granted, a lot of law schools are charging close to what Harvard charges, so that's a whole nother conversation. But nonetheless, taking and understanding that legal education and those CLEs can be great, but making it for the masses is kind of what I believe should be the goal, right? That you can charge a reasonable rate so that more people can get the information they need, right? That you don't have to get the #1 expert in the world on blockchain and crypto to really make a difference, right? You don't have to get that. You get someone who knows a lot about it, who can give that information and take somebody from where they are to the next step, right? You don't need an expert to take it from point A to point Z, but if you're on point A, getting to point B would be an accomplishment. So I think the quality CLEs, the topics are great, the cost is too much. So that's why I believe that, like with hands-on CLE, our belief is that you don't have to spend that much. That you should be able to get a quality CLE bundle for $140, $149, in that range, $100, $150, and get all your credits, right? Because 10 credits for $1,700, well, you still got to pay money to get the remainder, like 14 if you're in New York, or 5 if you're in Texas, or 20 or 15 if you're in California, right? You still got to do all that extra work. We don't believe that's how it should be. So they are expensive, but they shouldn't be. And that's our mission. Getting ones that are high quality, but that don't break the bank and that will help you further your career. So if you have any comments, let me know what you guys think about the really expensive CLEs, if you attended one, if you got reimbursed, and just your reviews. I'd love to hear it. All right? Thanks, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Oh, make sure you share it with another attorney, and so I can get some input on what the CLE industry and how you guys are feeling about it. All right? Thanks, and I will talk to you soon.